Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to actually within all columns in your Microsoft Excel. So basically what we're going to do today is sometimes you go ahead and you write something like so. So for example, you have this problem like me, which is there is something in your column, it is something in your cell, it is written, but it looks something like that, which is really ugly and it is not professional at all. So how you can actually extend the column so it looks better? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, go ahead and open your Excel project or sheet or whatever it is, and then go and focus with me. So now, let's say for example, you have these first names which are like somehow uh, looking like that. So how you can actually fix it? Basically, you can just drag it like that. But it is like not really that professional and it doesn't look really good. So Excel actually give you the option to make it looks very professional and good and pretty decent. So what you're gonna do is go between this column, which is where you have the problem, and the other column where the text is hovering. So now we go ahead between them. So over here, and we click double click. As you can see, it fixed the problem for us. And also you can do it to any other column. So for example, you had this here, you can do it here. I don't know, maybe here. You can just do it somewhere like that. I made it so thin, so yeah, something like that. I can just fix it. I can make this like so. I can make this like that. So it fixed the issue and it makes it very good and very small for us to see. This also works on for example lines. It doesn't need to be only on columns, guys. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually extend or like within all columns in Microsoft Excel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.